guys, it's Kendall here. Welcome to my channel. Today I am with Rebecca Adams.
Hey.
And we are in New Jersey. Believe it or not, I'm in New Jersey. I'm visiting her. She lives in New Jersey. And today we're going to the Jersey Shore.
Jersey!
The Jersey Shore. And we stopped at Wawa. And I got, obviously, a Coke Icy. And we're gonna go explore. So come with us.
See you there.
Okay. Gang, we made it to the boardwalk, Ocean City, New Jersey. We're here. We're gonna do a little exploring.
Walk around.
And then Becca wants me to try
water ice.
Water ice. But apparently here they call it water ice. And I'm trying to figure out if it's like a snow cone. It's like a creamy snow cone, but then to them snow cones aren't like what I have snow cones like in Texas. My brain can't process this information. That was a cool store. Oh, sing it. That was a cool candy store. We were trying to figure out if they were affiliated with Disney because they had the Disney font on their logo. Does that make sense? Guys, my nose. I'm like crying over here. We've spent the past how long? Oh, guys, I don't know where Becca is, but
Here! Nose down.
I'm like crying. I got snot going places. Yeah. We were making dances. We're gonna be famous.
Yeah, so for our OG subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in.
Right.
And you're the OGs. Comment down below if you're an OG.
So Becca over here got a DM from Antonio Cipriano, brilliant, who's a Broadway actor and one of they're kind of like besties at this point.
Yeah, whatever.
But he's gonna be in the new National Treasure show on Disney Plus. And so Becca's never seen National Treasure, which is my favorite movie. So we watched it last night. And Antonio just messaged her about that. So basically they're getting married. Guys, comfort colors for $10. That never happens.
First time water ice.
Water ice.
Go for it. Go for it. What is that base? Do you not like cotton candy?
No, I like it. I think it's good. I just it wasn't what
It's creamy water ice.
I'm so confused.
Okay. One time they took my ice cream out of my hands.
A seagull did?
Yeah, and I cried.
That's valid. I got mango and pina colada.
I got cotton candy.
I'm gonna try it. Okay, it's kind of like a Dole Whip. That one's good.
Yeah.
Pina colada's good.
Period.
Sorry.
You really have to see it. 6 feet 2 in a compact. No slack.
We're playing haunted golf.
Go for it.
Too much power. Too much drive, too much power. Well, frick. That's close.
Oh.
come with me. I got a hole in one.
I just tripped. Did you really get a hole in one?
Who do you think you are?
I am.
60 to 61.
All about rabbits, mother birds, no trouble.
I got chased by freaking seagulls.
They chased us down because of our crab fries.
That was so scary.
Ew! Get away! Get away from her!
Oh my god! My pulses are racing.
Whoa!
That was like a zombie apocalypse movie. I didn't like it.
Birds, come get after her. No birds chasing her. Hey.
Hey everyone. So we finished. I'm literally sweating from being chased by friggin' seagulls. We're gonna go back to Becca's house. We're gonna drive like
It's an hour.
an hour back to her plot of New Jersey. And we're gonna play game night. Game night, game night. Get crushed.
I'm so sorry.
Okay, bye.
So we just started driving back, and the crab fries were there, and they came on the cheese. I can't believe how did that happen? It's so it's in my shit. Oh no!
Oh.
Okay, we're cleaning up, and then we'll leave.